Hi there, I am Eric Salgado, CEO founder of Builderall, and welcome to the 5 Minutes with the CEO. Today I will talk a little bit about branding and, like every week, a quick report of what's new in Builderall. First, let's talk about the weekly upgrades on Builderall. Webinar with a waiting room. Now, when your leads register into our webinar presentation, you can drive them directly to a webinar room with a welcome video and the countdown timer. And as you already know, you can also have tags on this page and send emails according to the time your leads stay on your presentation. Responsive side chat. Now, if you choose to show the chat on the side of your webinar, it will automatically go underneath your video for mobile viewers. Call to action inside your chat. Now, during your live webinar or recorded webinar, you can choose to show the call to action over the video or over the chat. And much better off having just a call to action, you can also show images, videos, links, or even the whole checkout process inside the chat during the webinar. Drip menu. With this feature, you can have a drip content on your website or on your membership area. With just a few clicks, you can create a drip menu that will work with fixed date or according to the first time the user accessed your website. Sticky video. Keep showing your video on your presentation as your users scroll down your page. With a few clicks, you can fix your video in a corner of your page, making sure your lead will have a better chance to see all your sales video. Elearning Integration. With just one click, you can integrate your e-learning content to your membership area. So when your customers buy your course or log into your website, they will have immediate access to your e-learning content as a registered user. Link generator. We all know that only Builderall has the magic funnel system. And now, on the link generator, you can easily create links for magic funnels, WhatsApp messages, Telegram, and URL shortener. This feature is available on your affiliate dashboard and worth to take a look, so make sure you check it out. Feature inside the 3D photo editor. Besides the image editor we have on the image repository on Tira Builder, we also have a very professional image editor on the platform, where among other features you can remove the image background and also colorize your images, giving your website amazing design possibilities. And now let's talk a little bit about branding. A simple way to define branding would be what people talk and feel when they think about you. Some people say, I don't care what others think of me. Nothing wrong with that, but probably this person is not selling or building anything online. Today, because of the internet, your reputation is your most valuable asset. And if you want to have success online, you must care about what people say, think, or feel about you. A good exercise would be asking some of your friends and family to give you 5 adjectives. Some good, some bad. Ask them to do honestly on a piece of paper without identifying themselves. That could be a very nice wake-up call or a very nice feedback about how you are building your brand. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you inside Builderall.